Hey folks, so I was sitting out here in the sun, wiping down all this metal, getting it ready to weld together. When I finally got all wiped down, I said, Lord, it's hot. God, it's hot. I said, well, I really can't work in the shade in there because I got that metal roof and it's hot. And my daughter and son-in-law have one of these. And they've been setting it up over the little blow-up swimming pool for the babies to be in the shade when they're out playing in the water. And I said, boy, I'm tempted to get one of these. So I went in the house and here's what I saw in my email. So I decided, my God, looks like it's worth it to me because I'm used to theirs. I've seen them use theirs. So let's see how big a deal this thing is. First of all, I wasn't dragging this from the truck around to here. It actually got wheels on it. Of course, as you can see, it's all cardboard's all decrepit because that's what got me out of here yesterday. Was started pouring down rain. So I come back and it was just raining like a big dog, and I ended up, as you can see, with wet cardboard. This thing just stayed in the truck all day and night. So let's see what we can see here. It's got a zipper here at the bottom. Let's see if we can get this thing opened up. So there's the wheels, a little base on it. There's your little stakes, you want to stake it down. Oh, instructions. Well, I do know I got to get out of here. So let's do this part. Alrighty. This video might come in handy for those y'all think about buying one of these on your way to the beach or somewhere. Oh, look at there. Well, let's see what the instructions say. I'll give this thing right here 2 thumbs up. It got 4.5 stars in the YouTuber, in the Harbor Freight review. So I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like it a lot. All right. Well, folks, y'all have a wonderful day, and better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.